Have you ever seen a drawing that looks so real it almost pops right off the paper? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create this amazing 3D letter by using nothing more than a pencil, a ruler, an eraser, and a sheet of paper. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Just follow each step, and by the end of this video, you'll have an incredible 3D illusion that will impress your friends and family. So grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. The first step is creating a clean, bold letter B. Take your time and keep every line smooth and balanced. The better your outline is, the more realistic your final drawing will look. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Professional artists erase and redraw all the time. Art is about patience, not perfection. Now comes the exciting part. We're going to transform this flat letter into a three-dimensional object. Draw parallel lines from each edge of the letter. Keep the distance consistent all the way around. Then connect those lines carefully. At this stage, your drawing already starts looking like a solid object instead of just a simple letter. Shading is what makes the magic happen. Imagine the light coming from the upper left side. That means the opposite side should be darker. Use gentle pencil strokes and slowly build darker tones. Don't press too hard at first. Instead, layer your shading little by little. This creates a much smoother and more realistic result. Now let's add the shadow. A realistic shadow is one of the most important parts of any 3D drawing. Start with a light outline of the shadow. Then gradually make the area closest to the letter darker. As the shadow moves away, make it softer and lighter. This simple technique creates the illusion that the letter is actually standing above the paper. It's amazing how one shadow can completely change the look of your artwork. And that's it. From a simple outline, you've created an incredible 3D letter B that looks like it's popping right off the paw.